In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Woocommerce. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate Printify into your Woocommerce store, enhancing your ability to offer a range of custom products. Let's dive in and get started with this simple yet vital tutorial. First, head over to WordPress.com, the comprehensive platform that gives you all the tools necessary to build your website effectively. It's your one-stop shop for everything, and it'll be the starting point of our journey today. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so now by clicking on the Login button. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your website, from content to customization. Now, we need to find the Plugins section. Plugins are essentially tools that can extend the functionality of your WordPress site. And today, our focus is to find the plugin that will connect Printify to Woocommerce. Click on Plugins and then select Add Plugin. This step will allow you to search for new plugins that can enrich your website's functionality. In the search bar, type Printify. As you type, you'll see various options pop up. But what you're specifically looking for is Printify for Woocommerce. Once you spot it, click on the Printify for Woocommerce link. This is a crucial step since this plugin acts as a bridge between your Woocommerce store and Printify, allowing seamless product integration and management. After selecting the plugin, your next action is to click on Install and Activate. This will begin the installation process, followed by activation, making the plugin functional on your website. With the plugin activated, you've successfully set up the connection between Printify and Woocommerce. This integration is not just about adding products. It's about creating a smooth experience for managing your inventory and fulfilling orders efficiently. To wrap up, remember that keeping your plugins updated is essential for security and performance. Also, explore the settings in the Printify for Woocommerce plugin to tailor its operation to suit your specific needs. And there you have it. You've now connected Printify to Woocommerce, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities for your e-commerce store. Whether you're launching new custom products or simply enhancing the back-end functionality of your store, this integration is a step forward in optimizing your online business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!